Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate. I post videos relating to nutrition, fitness, and just overall health. If you like this video, then please remember to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support me. And click that subscribe button so you don't miss another upload. Today's video is going to be all things bulletproof coffee. What is it? What are the benefits? Should you drink it? How often should you drink it? How do you make it? What are the different ingredients you can use? We're going to be going over all that and more. Bulletproof coffee is coffee with some sort of healthy fats in it. The original recipe calls for grass-fed butter and MCT oil, but there are several different variations you can make. It is usually blended so it becomes nice and frothy, and because it is so high in fat, it keeps you full for a really long time. It is often consumed by people on a low-carb or ketogenic diet, and it is used in conjunction with intermittent fasting. Oftentimes it will replace breakfast and allow you to push your fasting window even longer. Some of the benefits of bulletproof coffee are that it suppresses your hunger. So as I mentioned before, oftentimes people will have it in place of breakfast and then they won't have their first actual meal of the day until noon or later. Because it is so high in good quality fats, if you have it in the morning, you really won't feel hungry until later in the day anyways. It improves mental clarity. It provides you with long, consistent energy without spiking your blood sugar. Because it is so high in MCTs, it boosts ketones in your body, which help you burn fat. MCTs are not easily stored on your body as fat. They are metabolized quickly and provide instant fuel for your body and for your brain. The original recipe for bulletproof coffee is 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, 1 to 2 tablespoons of MCT oil, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. You can use the original recipe, or else there are a ton of variations and different ingredients you can use. I'm going to go through a few of them and talk about why you might use those. All the ingredients I'm about to list, you can pretty much put in as many different ones as you want into your bulletproof coffee, or as little as you want. You can mix and match any of these to suit your preference and to suit what you have on hand already. So starting with the originals, MCT oil is probably the most important ingredient in this recipe. MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides, and these can be found in things such as coconut oil. The difference between coconut oil and MCT oil is that MCT oil is very potent. Pretty much all the MCTs are extracted from the coconut oil, and then you are left with MCT oil. MCT oil can also be made from palm oil as well. If you're looking to buy an MCT oil though, I would recommend going with one that comes from coconut oil, mainly because there's some pretty sketchy stuff that comes along with farming and producing palm oil. Most notably, it is causing mass deforestation in places such as Indonesia and Malaysia. This is ruining the habitats for orangutans, and it is also thought to be contributing to global warming. So if you can, opt for a coconut one. I will link some of my favorites in the description box down below. The next ingredient is grass-fed butter. So why grass-fed butter? Grass-fed butter is higher in nutrients. The butter helps to make it more frothy. Personally, I always use butter when I am making my bulletproof coffees. You can also use coconut oil. As I said before, coconut oil does have MCTs in it, just to a lesser extent than MCT oil would. If you are vegan or dairy-free, coconut oil is a good alternative to the butter. The next thing you can add is heavy cream. One of the pros to using cream is if you aren't blending it, the cream mixes in really nicely, whereas MCT oil and butter kind of tend to just sit at the surface and not really incorporate in. Ghee is another alternative in place of butter. Tinned coconut milk is also really good. This will give it a little bit of a coconut flavor and again make it really nice and frothy. You can also add in some collagen powder. I think I'll make a whole other video on the benefits of collagen powder and how to use it, but pretty much it is great for your skin, hair, nails, joints, all that good stuff. So it's just another way to boost your bulletproof coffee. Anyone can have it. You're gonna get the most benefits from it though if you're using it in conjunction with intermittent fasting, as well as a low carb or keto lifestyle. Okay, that's me. Personally, I don't really like coffee. I don't drink it, but that's okay. You can pretty much make a bulletproof version of your favorite tea or other hot drink. I have made bulletproof hot chocolates, bulletproof turmeric lattes, bulletproof chai teas. So don't think that just because you don't drink coffee, you can't have bulletproof drinks. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope that you learned something. If you have any other questions about anything I talked about in this video or anything else, please leave them in the comments down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.